Hi, I'm John from Autel. In a previous video, we announced Autel's expansion into electric vehicle diagnostics with the debut of the MaxiSys Ultra EV and MaxiSys MS909 EV tablets. In the video, we also showcased the EVDiag Kit available to owners of the MaxiSys Ultra MS919 and 909. The EVDiag Kit includes an EVDiag Box and all the cables, probes, breakout leads, and adapters needed to diagnose electrical and hybrid vehicles and their battery packs directly. If you just purchased an EVDiag Kit, let me quickly guide you through the process of pairing your tablet with the EVDiag Box and enable you to download the software that will allow you EV and hybrid vehicles such as those made by Tesla, Chevrolet, Ford, Toyota, Lexus, and Hyundai or Kia. I'm using my MS909 today, but the process is the same for upgrading the Ultra and 919. Power on the MS909, tap the settings icon within the MaxiSys application, and scroll to the EVDiag Box setting and tap to open. The EVDiag Box's serial number is located on the back of the unit. Tap Read on the tablet display, and then tap Link. The tablet may automatically restart. Next, tap the Update icon and download and install the EV software update. On restart, you'll see the new energy icon on your tablet. Remember, always make sure the software on your VCI or VCMI is up to date before connecting to a vehicle. For more information about any of the tools or products that Autel offers, visit us at autel.com. Thanks for watching.